Good morning, children. We have completed our lesson block 23 road transport. Okay, we have done in your workbook S1 from mud road to highways, S2 vehicles on the road, S3 animal transport. Okay, children. Now I will be giving you classwork. Please write neatly. Don't keep any pending work, children, and write neatly. I am seeing my videos. Social studies, I am seeing that many children are not doing. So please complete them there and there. Okay? Okay, all the best, children. Now I will read the classwork. Oh, this timer is going on. This is good. Take out your classwork, children. Draw margin, write date, whichever date I give you. Block 23, road transport. First bit keywords. 1. Distance to vehicles. 3. Potholes. 4th. National highways. 5th. Travel. 6. Invented. 7. Petrol. 8. Diesel. 9th. Transport. 10th. Purpose. Now glossary. First one, cement, building material made from lime and clay. 2. Concrete, building material made from broken stone, sand, cement and water. Just see one time. First page, this is here. Third one, emergency, when someone is in danger. Fourth one, fuel, coal, gas or oil burned to move. Now, mule, an animal that is born of a donkey and a horse, that is baby, is known as mule. Sixth one, national, belonging to a country. Seventh, pothole, a deep hole on a road. Eighth one, yak, an animal with long hair and horns found in the mountain. Now match the following. Children, in this match the following, you have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here a small ABCD, and in between bracket. In this bracket you have to match, and you have to write alphabets only. No crossing, scratching. Okay? You please write as it is, how I have done. Okay? Did you see? Mule to climb up a hill, that is C. Scooter, E, to carry people short distance. Elephant, B, to travel across a forest. Truck, F, to carry things long distance. push cart. D. To carry things short distance. Camel. A. To travel 1 minute. To travel across a desert. Now one time I'll show you. Please see. Okay. Next page. Fourth bit, sort the vehicles based on the number of wheels. So please write here 2-wheeler wheels, 3 wheels, 4 wheels, 6 wheels. First one scooter, 2 wheels. Second is bicycle, 2 wheels. 3 wheels auto rickshaws. 4 wheelers, that is car, jeep. 6 wheels truck, bus. Now answer the following question. You have to write in new page, children. Okay. Now answer the following question. Question 1. Give 2 reasons why we travel short distance and 2 reasons why we travel long distance. Answer 1. First point, we travel a short distance when we have to go to the market or to the school. Second point, we travel long distance when we have to go to another city on a vacation or to attend a family function. Now, question 2, how have highways helped our travel? Answer 2. First point, highways help us to travel faster as the roads are made of cement. Second point, more vehicles with more people can travel on highways. Third point, highways are also connect more places. Third question, why do we use animals for transport? First point, we use animal transport to carry goods and people when we cannot use other vehicles. OTHER, other vehicles. Second point, we use camels in a desert as it is easier than traveling in motor vehicles there. See one time, children. Okay. Children, 2 activities are there. First one activity, stick or draw. You can stick or draw different types of roads and write few lines about it. See from reader page 142. What type of vehicles can move on this road? I'll show you. See from reader this one. You can draw or you can stick picture and write few lines about it. It is here only in the reader. Now next page, second activity, you can stick or you can draw, children. Stick or draw different types of roads and write few lines about it. See reader page number 143. Can the vehicle in the picture travel as easier on the mud road? Yeah. This one, Pakka road, Kacha road and Pakka road, you will say, no? This one. You can stick or you can draw whatever you want to do and write few lines, okay? Some children, they are not sticking and writing few lines, and some children, they are sticking and not writing the line about that. Okay, so don't do that. Complete the work. Okay, over, children. All the best. Write neatly, children. Okay.